star falls into the sky. The summer was alive, going to the end of time. I can see the daylight. I swear perfectly, is it really the end? Just so like a stranger, so far away from me. You said you're running for me, but I managed from our story. Baby, don't be sorry for me, 'cause it's just a perfect story. You said you're running for me, but I managed from our story. Baby, don't be sorry for me, 'cause it's just a perfect story.
Alright guys, me and Jesse are sitting here at his hunting club. Sorry. He's been seeing a couple birds out here. We're going to go walk back here in this pine thicket. We'll do a little yelping, see if we can get one to respond. But I'm just going to get out here and see what we can do. We just walked out this video. We got a bird out here. I'm not sure what it is. Making away this wood line. Jesse's got the strutter. And we're going to try to crawl up to him. Now we give him a soft calls with the slate. And we'll see if he'll come on there. Alright. He's running at us. Blasting. Yeah, to your right. Please still. Shoot him when you can. Shoot him. Try your right. Shoot him. Shoot, yeah! Get ready. Blasting. Yeah, to your right. Please still. Shoot him when you can. Shoot him. Try your right. Shoot him. Shoot, yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Let's go! Go get it! Let's go, baby! That's what I'm talking about! That's it, yes, sir! Let's go, Jesse! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, dude, he come running, dude! Oh my gosh! Okay. Oh my goodness! All right, guys, we seen a bird out here, and I was looking, and I was like, dang, that's all hens. And I hadn't seen it. Next thing you know, this sucker is sprinting to us. Jesse was still looking to the left. I was like, to your right, this bird was freaking 10 yards from us.
Freaking smoked him, dude.
Let's go.
God, dang.
Woo! Step on that net.
On that net, boy.
That's what I'm talking about, guys. Hold on, let me set y'all up. Dude, that's a good bird. That's a good bird, Jesse. Oh, he got, oh no, that's a good beard, too.
Yes, sir. Let's go, boy. Let's go, dog. Oh, dang. Oh my gosh.
That was awesome.
Dude, that couldn't have been more
Did you
perfect.
see him running too?
Dude, yeah.
You see him running at us?
Oh my
I
gosh.
hope I got that on video.
Dude, that couldn't have been more perfect.
No, put him on. All right, guys, here's Jesse's bird. We're taking a couple pictures now. Well, that's a big old bird. We're gonna get some good pictures. We'll take it home, get some quick measurements on it, and let y'all know how big she is.